Hello, my wonderful, amazing artists. Today, we're creating a puppet using found objects. Found object art means that you are looking around your house and finding things that you can transform and turn into something different and artistic. For example, this paintbrush is really old and crusty. I don't think it got cleaned all the way. So I turned it into a puppet and I used some picnic forks too, and a rubber band. Okay, so to make our found object puppet, we are gonna first start with some paper circles, but these look like they're missing something. In order to make eyes that don't look like creepy, you gotta add pupils. Those are dark colored circles. So I'm going to add a circle using this black marker. You can use whatever you have. If you don't have markers, you can use crayons or pencils. So then you're going to cap your marker and make sure it clicks shut. Then you're going to get your tape and you're going to make a tape pillow or a tape circle by ripping off a little piece and rolling it into a circle. Ta-da! Then you can. And then you make another one because I decided this one's going to have two eyes. There we go. Next, you're going to find an object and stick your eyes to the object. And if you want, you can even add even more objects using attachment to create arms. Watch this. I'm gonna add forks from my kitchen to this old paintbrush I have to create a brush buddy, I guess is gonna be his name. Ta-da!